Can I hide my comments on Facebook from certain people?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about managing your privacy on Facebook. One question we often get asked is, can I hide my comments on Facebook from certain people? The answer is yes, you can, and we're going to explain how.
Why would you want to hide comments?
Before we get into the how, let's quickly talk about the why. Privacy is an essential aspect of online interactions. Sometimes, you might want to keep your comments visible only to a certain group of people, or you may want to hide them from specific individuals. Facebook allows you to adjust these settings, ensuring a more comfortable and secure environment for you.
Hiding comments on posts.
Now, when it comes to hiding comments, it's important to remember that you cannot specifically hide a single comment from a certain person. However, you can control who can see the post on which you are commenting. When creating a post, you can set the audience to public, friends, specific friends, or even friends except for certain people. Here's how to do it. 1. Start by creating a new post. 2. Before you post, look for the box next to the newsfeed option and click on it. 3. A menu will appear showing you different options, like Public, Friends, Only Me, and Friends Except. 4. Choose the appropriate setting based on who you want to see the post. Remember, comments follow the visibility of the post they are on. So, if you limit a post's visibility to a certain group of people, your comments on that post will only be visible to that group.
Blocking users.
If you're trying to hide comments from a specific person due to harassment or any other unpleasant interactions, Facebook offers a more extreme measure, blocking the user. When you block a user, they can't see your posts, start a conversation with you, or add you as a friend. It's a final resort when you want complete privacy from a specific person. In conclusion, while Facebook doesn't allow you to hide specific comments from certain individuals, you can control who sees the posts you comment on, or as a last resort, block the person you wish to avoid interaction with. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, your online privacy is important. Don't hesitate to use the tools available to protect it. Stay safe.